So you can see I can spend a lot of time doing that. So now we're going to go into our adjustment brush. This is a gradient for a radial gradient adjustment, and this is a linear one. All of these two here are based off of the adjustment brush itself. We're not going to use red eye because that's just dumb. So we'll go to our adjustment brush here, and if you click it, it shows up. Click it again, it disappears. As it stands right now, if I went in and I used a brush to make a mark, for example, like right now, I'm drawing on it, nothing shows up because I have not made any single change here. But if you just want to mask this out, you can easily just show selected mask overlay, and it will show you in a ruby color what it would look like if you wanted to see the selection. So, oops, pardon me, and I'll go back, uncheck this, and what I'll do at this point, since I've made the mark already, I can actually go through and apply a change. So I'm going to make this a little bit darker in this area here. Maybe drop the contrast a little bit. You know, it's maybe I want to warm it up back there. I can do all this stuff, kind of do a little faux split toning, so to speak, kind of make it look like evening light coming through. If I liked that color, now say I wanted to put it down here, all I have to do is make sure I'm on edit for that same brush, and it's active when it has that black and white circle. And I'll just take this and I can draw right over anything else I want, and it will warm up. Because I have that, that's what the brush does, it'll basically be part of that brush. If I hover over this, you'll see that's the area in which the brush is affected. Let's say if I didn't like it going too far up like this, I can go down to my erase tool right here. I can make it bigger, smaller, create more of a brush or not. I can just draw over and erase away at that mask, okay? And you'll start to see it disappears there where I don't want it to exist, right? So I can make a bigger brush. I can do these right there. All right, so that, maybe even erase a little bit up here. So that's how we could use the adjustment brush here. We have erase. Then I could go back to AB and draw that in there. And that will be done at this point.